So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I gonna show that how to make public profile on your Snapchat app. So guys, if you are new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video. So let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, what you have to do, click on this open your Snapchat app, and after doing what you have to do, you can seeing that scroll down and you can see that there is no option of make a public profile on your Snapchat, and there is no option of create a public profile. You can seeing that, and what you have to do, click on this setting option. After doing scroll down, and you can see the first option, you contact me, click on this, and here are three options: friends and contact and everyone. So guys, what you have to, you click on this, the third option, everyone, and again you go back and you can seeing the second option, send me notification. You click on this and is also everyone, so click on this everyone, and again you go back and you can seeing the third option of view my story. You click on this and you can seeing the first option, everyone. You click on this everyone. When all is everyone, what you have to do, again you go back and cancel this, and again you open your Snapchat app and scroll down. And so guys, you can see the option is available, create a public profile. So guys, what you have to do, you click on this and continue, get started, and after that create. So guys, you can see again you my public profile, so click on this, and here you can see that my public profile is created, master of tech. So guys, you can add it again. You can change your profile picture, type here your bio and the location. If you change your if you edit your profile, so you can edit. And so guys, if my video is informative so for you, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and comment in my video and like, share, and also comment in my videos.